Hello my beautiful besties, it's your girl Nelly. If you're part of my nail crew, welcome back. And if you're not, consider subscribing right now and become part of my amazing nail crew. Today's video is a collaboration video with Colorfuljuly, and they were kind enough to send me a box, and I can't wait to show you all these wonderful goodies. I will have a link in my description box in case any of you guys are interested in purchasing any of their boxes. I want to start by giving my shout out. So shout out to everyone who takes the time to watch my videos. Shout out to everyone who likes, comments, and share my videos. It helps me out a lot here on YouTube. Shout out to everyone who's new to my channel. Welcome to my nail crew bestie. Thank you so much for joining the crew. Shout out to my moderator, Sugar Eclipse Nails. Her link is available in the description box in case you guys are looking for extra content to watch. And shout out to my Patreons. Thank you so much for your love and support, and thank you so much for your donation to my channel. This is my very first collaboration with Colorfuljuly, and I was very impressed with their packaging. It is absolutely beautiful. One of the first things you're going to come across is their card, and this is their information on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Feel free to pause the video and scan the QR codes if you guys are interested. I love this packaging. It is absolutely beautiful. You guys did an absolutely amazing job with this packaging. So let's get to opening this box and show you all these wonderful goodies. So I have to say, I was very impressed. I loved everything inside this box. I was so excited. One of the first things that I came across is these pack of maple leaves, and they're very, very beautiful. They're different colors, and as you can see, they are hollow. Very, very gorgeous. And I will definitely be using all of these goodies for a future set. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to do a set for today's video. I just wanted to do an unboxing because I couldn't wait to show you everything. This I assume is a paper weight or something like that, but you can use it to like show off your final set on your nails if you're taking pictures and stuff like that. It also came with charms, bestie, charms, and they are beautiful. I will open these and I will show them closer so that you can appreciate them better. It comes with 10 of them. 5 of them are in silver and 5 of them are in gold. I do want to apologize if I sound tired. I literally woke up super early this morning and I had to do the voiceover for this video. You guys already know that I wake up really, really early so that I can work on my YouTube, and then I get ready to go to my full-time job. Anyways, so another thing I came across were these beautiful glitters. It came with 4 fine glitters. I would say 2 of them are fine, and 2 of them were sort of like a medium size, but I still consider them fine. I mean, they were a little bit bigger. And then the chunky glitters. I will definitely be mixing this and creating a set with these because they're beautiful. These ones really caught my eye because these are perfect for October, and they're kind of like very fine confetti glitters, and they're beautiful. I also came across this jar, and these are if I have to find a word to describe these, I would say they're like rocks. Oh my god, and I already have a set in mind for this because they're so beautiful. I mean, you can do so many things, so many sets with everything that they sent in their boxes. I'm telling you, bestie, These boxes are amazing. I was very, very impressed with everything that came in this box. We also got some decals, very, very beautiful. I received this set in gold, and I received them also in silver. The silver is hollow, and they're absolutely beautiful, and I'm going to show you right now. It also came with a set. Okay, so let me just explain this first. As you saw at the beginning of the video, this is the autumn box, and I have to say that everything they included in this box, it's perfect. Everything from the glitters, the decals, the gel polishes, everything is perfect for that. So they really took their time to put this box together to make everything match their theme. So shout out to you, Colorful July. You guys did an amazing job. And again, I will have the link if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these boxes in the description box to make it easier. Check out this beautiful decals. Like, these are perfect for the theme. Again, they did a very, very wonderful job. So this is a pack of rhinestones, and unfortunately, I'm assuming during transit it opened, so I had a bunch of rhinestones all over my box, and of course I picked them up and I put them inside the box because no rhinestones are going to be left behind. I'm gonna use every single one of them, but they're very, very beautiful. You can also use these for like Halloween season because of the colors. They have like a chameleon look to them, like depending on where you turn them, it gives you different colors. These Aurora rhinestones are gorgeous, okay? Absolutely gorgeous. I'm very glad I received these, and I cannot wait to use these. I also received this jar, and this is glitter, and it is a beautiful black hollow glitter. Definitely going to be using this also for a future video. I was so excited, and I cannot wait to use all of these items for future videos. Another thing I received was this, it's like a journal or notebook, and I loved it because I like to plan my sets ahead of time or my videos. So this is absolutely perfect, and I love the color and the furriness. It feels so soft. I love it. I really did love it, and I cannot wait to start using it. So yeah, I was very interested in seeing what was inside these jars, and I have to say their packaging is really awesome. The way their gels come in this little pots. I don't have any pots that look like these, and I will definitely be swatching all of these colors for you guys because I was very impressed. I'm gonna be very honest. I was very, very impressed. As you can see, there's still rhinestones everywhere. I did put them aside, and then I put them where they belong. Because like I said, no rhinestones are going to be left behind, okay? So this is a gel, and when I swatch these, you're gonna see how beautiful they are. They are sort of like a jelly color. You will need to do at least 2 coats to get, you know, a more opaque look, but they're absolutely beautiful. And I was very impressed of the fact that they do not leave a sticky residue, so you don't need to apply top coat over it. Of course, we all do apply that shiny top coat to protect the color, but I'm just saying for these 2 that I'm about to swatch right now, you don't necessarily have to do that. So I'm going to step back, and I'm going to let you enjoy me swatching these colors. Like I said, I did 2 coats for each one of them, and they are very, very beautiful colors. So this is when I actually decided to test out if they leave a sticky residue, and they do not. At least those two colors, they do not. And you see how shiny and beautiful these colors are. So this jar, let's talk about this jar for a second, okay? I thought it was just a another gel polish, but I quickly saw what this is. As you can see, this is a spider gel, and this is perfect for these season and also Halloween. Absolutely perfect. It is very messy to work with, but they're super fun and they're very beautiful. So I took advantage of the fact that my glove had some of that product on, and I decided to test it out on one of these swatches, and you're gonna see how beautiful that looks. These are very easy to use, and you do have to cure them in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. And look how beautiful it looks. I mean, this is absolutely perfect for Halloween season. And then let's start swatching these. These gels do leave a sticky layer, so you definitely want to apply top coat after you finish applying these colors. All of these are jelly colors. I do not have anything in my collection like this, and I am very happy and glad that they sent this to me. These are all fall colors, okay, and they're jelly. So I was very impressed with the colors. I cannot wait to use them, bestie. I'm gonna have a lot of fun. I did came across this little issue, and this was the only jar that gave me problems. But I mean, then again, it can happen to any company or any jar that you buy, you know, with like gel polish pots and stuff. So that's a normal thing. It's not the first time that it has happened to me. I've had that issue with several other companies. But yeah, so I'm hoping that in the future they can make sure that that doesn't happen. But that's not a big deal to me. I mean, again, the colors are absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to step back. I will show you two of them, and then I go ahead and show you the rest of them after I had swatched them. I did do 2 coats for each one, just so that I can get some sort of opaque look to them. But I mean, the fact that they're jelly and they are perfect for this season, I mean, I don't have anything in my collection like this. So I'm very excited, and I'll definitely be doing a set with these colors. I'm telling you right now, bestie, you will see future videos using all of these items because I was very impressed. I'm very grateful. Excuse me, I'm very grateful that they contacted me. So Colorfuljuly, thank you so much for reaching out to me and allowing me to show your boxes to my viewers. I'm hoping that you guys are enjoying this video so far. Check out the beautiful colors. I mean, they are absolutely gorgeous. I love them, but you do definitely have to apply top coat to them. But that's not a big deal because we do that to all of our gel polishes. So again, Colorfuljuly, thank you so much for allowing me to review this box for my viewers. This is the end of the video. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this box and of all of the items. Thank you so much for watching, bestie. I appreciate your love and support, and it means the world to me. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. Bye.